Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well. In today's video, we'll show you a couple of tips on how to organize your pins. First of all, you can go to any of your boards inside Pinterest, and don't forget that now Pinterest is giving us a lot of ideas on how to organize our pins and make our life easier. It wasn't like when we first started on Pinterest. Now, if you come here, you can see those three buttons. We could go, I'm in my board, how to grow your business. If you go here on more ideas, it's giving us a lot of ideas on, on similar on what we're pinning, giving us like pins on what we're pinning, similar to what you pin on your board, for example. What I pin on my board. Then we can click here. I click those three pins, and as you can see those pins in my board. Now, the other thing is on how to organize your boards. You go to Organize. As you can see here, we have selected the order pins, and then we have the groupings into section. Pinterest is giving me a lot of ideas of what to create, what sections should I create inside my board, but also it's giving me an empty here, like if I want to create a section inside my board, and I can name it, I can give it my own name. And as you can see here, for example, on promotion strategy, if you go add, it's giving me a couple of my pins and tick my pins. And if I choose to have that name, then I can add section. So it's very, very easy. It's good to have different sections inside your board in order to, organize your pins and make it a little bit more like, let's say you have affiliate marketing and then you do different ones in relation to affiliate marketing or in relation to business, like business motivation, for example, and you can put all of your pins. It's a good way to grow faster. So the other thing also you need to do is here to come to select and reorder. As you can see here, you have the buttons here at the below, the delete, the section, and to move. You select one of the pins, and then you come here, for example, and you can move it to any of your boards. I can move it to any of my boards, or you can add section again. So just an example, or straight away you can add section or delete. You see, I delete the pin completely. The other thing you can do again is to select different pins and to put them straight away in different section, or to put them in a particular board. It's giving you, with one click, Pinterest is giving us a lot of ideas on how to organize our pins and how to grow our boards inside to different sections. Is a different strategy, an easiest way to grow and get a couple of more repins, because you are distribute your pins to different sections, and then it's gonna show your pins to these people that when you do more ideas. Remember that Pinterest is now showing our pins to those people that the pin is similar content, but also to those that are interested in our content. So it's simple as that. It's the easiest way for us to show, to distribute our pins to more, to keep eyes, to have more eyes into your pins, basically, so you can get more clicks and repins. That's another way. So that's it for me today. Connect with me on the social media, and I wish you well.